Lawless America means that the people have lost control of the legal system here. And I think in family courts that means that everybody goes to sleep at night thinking, well, we have some great laws in place. Family court's all about fairness. The judges, of course, have the best interests of the child in mind when they make decisions. And I think that they would be shocked to find out how it really is, and it's not that way. It's about money, it's about personal agendas, it's about judges with God complexes, and it's not fair.
Well, personally, you know, when I think of the lawless America, for me, justice is the word that I think of, and it's injustice. I think it's the word. It's a fraud. The way we learn about our justice system, it's fake. It's not true. It's corrupt. It doesn't work, and it hurts innocent people and children. I don't think I said it right.
Lawless America means for me, it's America without laws, and it is going there slowly but surely with the systems and power, especially in the family courts, and because they have no control, they have no control above them, and lawless America means for me that America has no laws where is justice, where it's reasonable, where people really try to improve people's lives and correct self-righteous people like it's my ex-husband, that they are not gods and that they have to share the child because the child belongs to both parents.
Lawless America. Well, what does that mean to me? Pictures of the Old West, things that aren't supposed to be happening, things that you were told happened in other countries and in history books. That's what lawless America means to me.
Lawless America is what the corporate agenda has turned us into. America is not America is a continental mass. Americans live upon that continental mass. Lawless is what the corporations have done. We have come to live in a corporate culture of gimme, gimme. The bottom line at any cost. And it's not surprising that lawlessness, the disregard of the rights and property of others, has come to be what it is. It's not surprising at all. And this is why I am opposed to the corporate agenda.
Lawless America is simply what the name means. A system of government that doesn't protect, respond, or enforce the law that it normally imposes upon its citizens.
We have no laws in America. I mean, justice comes from the top, and the top is corrupt. That is lawless America.
Lawless America defines the fact that America is today governed by a very corrupt law and legal system. I actually believe that the country should not be governed by laws. Obviously there should be laws, but laws should not be the final governing authority. I believe that the country should be governed by moral values.
Lawless America means that even though we're in 2012, almost 2013, it's still the Wild West. Judges could do whatever they want, attorneys abuse the system. That's exactly what it means. We are still in the Wild West.
The term lawless America to me means that we're living in a society where laws are being disregarded, where the laws that have been created to support a functioning society, we've turned our back on those laws. And I think that we have to do something to get back on the right track.
Lawless America means trying to help people, help this American justice, trying to get this American justice back in line where it belongs. Instead of today we have America is corrupted, and if our old presidents was to come to this earth today, they would be very angry on the way this American country is running right now.
I would define the term Lawless America as my last opportunity to be seen and be heard and get people to open up about the corruption that's happening in their county.
Lawless America is a great idea. I'm impressed from what's been accomplished. I'm America, and I'm not lawless. In fact, if everybody lived like me, there would be no jails, no penitentiary, there'd be no lawyers. Yeah, I would say lawless lawyers. It's the lowest form of life that my 75 years has taught me.
Lawless America is the country that we live in now. Our country and our justice system is not about justice. It is about money. If you don't have any money, you will not be heard and justice will not be served.
Lawless America is the country that we live in, sadly, that no rules and laws apply here anymore or are applicable in the courts, family courts, dependency courts, and that justice will not prevail, sadly, in America. And this is wrong. This is so wrong.
Lawless America, in my opinion, is what's happening to our legal system all over the United States, not just here. There are so many attorneys now that do almost anything to get clients and get as much money as they can. And one of the first things they do is to find out how much money you have and how much money they can get. And the ones that are connected to the judges, they're the ones who get most of the business, because by word of mouth, people tell them what lawyers are connected to what judges and what they have to do and what has to be done. I was sitting outside on a bench in the courthouse on the third floor with Attorney Ross. A judge came out and asked Attorney Ross if he can get a job from one of his friends that just graduated law school and is a lawyer. Attorney Ross, sitting next to me, said, "There's no problem, just give me a call." This is part of our system. Whatever you want done, get the lawyer who knows the judges and the clerks. You can get whatever you want done if you have the money. And that's the name of the game.
Lawless America. Laws are meant to govern everyone. Everyone in a country is subject to laws. When we only have certain people that are made to follow them, when we have people who can easily afford to get around them, when the people making the laws exempt themselves from following the laws they force on the rest of us, that is not law. That's lawless. And that's where we live, is lawless America.
Lawless America is an America with no laws. All the laws are being ignored or just put aside.
Lawless America is a movement that's long overdue, headed by a man named Bill Windsor, who's the only person I've crossed paths with in many years that's capable of leading the movement and accomplishing what's needed. He understands the need to change the direction of the country. He understands where we are, and he too wants a future for his grandkids.